34.
Tell me what you did though.
Okay. So I added them up. And I got 170.
How much?
170.
170. Just let them go. Leave them alone. That's part of the problem. And then divide it by 5. And how much is that? 34. Exactly. All right. So what does that mean? Candace studied 35, 60, 40, 25, 30 minutes for her quiz on Friday. So it's 34 what? Minutes per what? That is correct. All right. Anybody have a problem with that? Is that correct? Was 170 correct? What did you get? What did you get? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Was it 195? Now look, here we go, right here. Let me show you now how I want you to do this addition real quick. All right. In my opinion, I would just do 60 plus 40, and I just know that's 100, right? Now, for me, this is easy, right? That's just 60. And then 35. Adding those together makes what? 195. All right, 195. You with me?
Yeah.
All right. So it's okay to make a mistake, but does everybody understand what I'm saying? That's what's happening on your test. You're just making little mistakes. All right. Now we're dividing that by 5. Right? And so when I divide that by 5, what am I getting?
39.
Is that right? 39? All right. So we're going to say 39 minutes per what? Yes, 39 minutes per day on average. All right, is what you're studying. All right. Thank you very much. All right, give yourself a check if you got it right. All right, next, Luke.
Okay, so I added them all up and I got 1,850.
Hold up a second. 1,850. Before I make the same mistake and trust you, did anybody else get 1,850? All right. So we feel, is that good?
I got 1,900.
1,900. Okay, so let's do this together too. So now, for me, I would have just taken the 1,000, the 650, and the 450 because those were all positive, right? So I would have said 600 plus 400 is 1,000. 50 plus 50 is 100. So that's 1,100 plus this 1,000 would be what? 2,100. Is everybody good with that? And then I would say minus 200, which would be 1,900, and then minus 50, which would be, is that right? 1,850? Yeah, I think 1,850 is good. All right, so I'm happy with that. And then it's over how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So hopefully we did 1,850 and we divided that by 5. And tell me what that was, Miss. $370 per what? Per month this time, not a day, per month. Thank you very much. All right, I'm happy with that. You good with that? Anybody have any questions? All right, let's go next. Quinn, you're up.
I get 3 and 2 and 2 and 2 degrees and 6. What was the average temperature for those days? So you do -3 plus -2 is -5, and then plus the 2 is -1, and then
It's perfect.
is 5.
Yes.
And then 5 divided by 5 is
Shh, leave him alone. I'm trying to help. I'm right here. He doesn't need any help from anybody. 1. Now I want to know what does 1 represent?
the average temperature.
Yeah, a news station in Oregon recorded that the low temperatures for 5 days were here. So this is 1 is the low temperature per what? per day. Right, so it's about 1 degree. All right, that's the average. All right, 1 degree low per day. All right, next, let's go. Read it to me. Yes, 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you very much. Easy as that. All right, number 6, go.
So the half of the sailboat is 28 feet above the surface of the water. Like, you,
Yes,
on the bottom of the boat is 5 feet below the surface of the water. What is the difference from the top of the mast to the bottom of the boat? 33 feet.
you're awesome, buddy. That was really good. 33 feet. Now I can understand you having problems with that. Anybody need me to explain anything? You're 28 feet above and 5 feet below, right? So that's a total of 33 feet. Yes, sir. Yes, because let me show you a sailboat, right? Here's the water, right? Watch my great sailboat. People are jealous every year when I draw this. All right, so here's my boat. Here's my sailboat, right? I know, don't be jealous, all right? I know. You don't have to tell me, I know this already, all right? I know this, all right? My second major was art, believe it or not. All right, so from here to here is 28. But then there's something called a keel, I think, and I don't remember exactly what it looks like underneath, but it's there to help guide it, kind of. Right? Yes, that's it. Yes. Right, exactly. It helps keep it stable, right? And that's not us, and it's 5 feet below. Right? It's 5 feet below. Now do you see it? Right? The key is understanding above and below. All right. And this is the basic, kind of like mountain, above sea level, below sea level. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. All right, good job. Anybody have any questions? All right, let's knock out number 7.
Oh, the highest location in a certain country is 15,910 feet above the sea level. The lowest point in the same country is 113 feet below sea level. Find the difference between the two elevations.
All right, so tell me what's the difference?
15,923 feet.
How did you get that?
Because I added them.
Okay, so let's take your time and add them correctly now. Come on.
15,000.
So I'm going to put 15,000,
16,000.
910.
16,000.
And then, no, listen. Hey, it's not a big deal, right? So that's what I'm trying to explain to all of you guys. We know how to do it. You're just making B's rather than making what? A's, right? Because you're just making careless mistakes. You're going too fast. You're writing too sloppy. All right, take control. All right. Tell me again now. What's that answer? Shh.
16,023.
16,023. I like that.
And
16, hold on a second. 16,023. I want to make details. 16,023 feet. Yes, sir. Yes, you are. Very good. But the 113 is what?
below.
Yeah, so it's 15,910 minus negative 113. Shh. No, he's asking me good questions. He's learning something if he'd let me explain it. Does that make sense now, right? All right, easy mistake to make. Easy mistake. All right, that's what they're counting on you to do.
And
All right.
a city is 900,
How much?
9,913 feet above sea level. Is this elevation closer to the highest point or to the lowest?
What do you think?
Highest.
Of course. Right? Anybody have any problems with that being highest? And then now again, please don't just put highest down if you don't know. Right? Is everybody good with it? It's going to be close to the highest point, right? It's more than halfway. All right. Here we go. Thank you very much. Number 8. I don't really care about writing multiplication. I just want the answer. Negative 48 what? Just what? Yeah, now let me explain to you what happened here. Everybody's looking up, right? So we did 4, watch the math now, and this will help you with your science too. 4 feet per second times 12 seconds. I think this is called stoichiometry. Right, have you guys done that yet? Right? What happens to the seconds? They cancel out. You see what I'm saying, right? So now you can just see that it's 4 times 12, which is 48 feet. All right, you happy with that explanation? 48 feet is good. All right. Yes, I think so. All right. Ask Miss Bragdon later. Stoichiometry. All right, here we go. Number 9. I'm ready.
$6 on breakfast season for 5 mornings per week for the past 8 weeks. What is the change in this work to the cow balance combined breakfast during this time?
Don't care about writing the multiplication. All right, just tell me what to do. Shh. And you're right, that's a 5.
6 times 5 is 30.
Right?
So you can come in $30 in the past 8 weeks. 30 times 8.
Yep.
is 240.
I'm agreeing with you.
So $240.
So how do you represent spending 240? Is it in your account or out of your account?
In the
So she spent it, correct? So what does it do to her account balance?
negative.
Yes, there you go. Negative $240. All right, negative 240. Everybody's good? All right, next.
Expression 5 can be used to convert the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit F to degrees Celsius. The record low temperature in manual hometown is negative 13. What is the temperature in degrees Celsius?
That's it. That is the correct formula, by the way. All right, you guys will be converting Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. So what do I do with the negative 13? Do you know?
You're supposed to
Look what I did. I'm drawing you narrow. You're supposed to put negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit in for F. You with me on that? So now let's write this down as 5 parentheses. So now we got to do our mental math together, you and me. What's this together? Sadie, what are we doing?
So negative 13 plus negative 32.
Yes, you're right. What is that?
Negative, no.
Yep. Well, 3 plus 2 is what?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry. All's good. Divided by. Now, which one do I want to do first? The multiplying or the dividing? Of course we would. What's that? Mm-hmm. Yes, positive or negative? Yes. So we'd say negative 25 degrees Celsius. All right, that was a good one. Negative 25 degrees Celsius. All right, next, let's go. Yes, I got you. Mm-hmm. Well, what I want you to do is, I want everyone to say, what would I do with the -5 and the 5? Yeah, you see what I'm saying, right? So this shouldn't be that hard. What's 6 and -7? And then -8 makes, and then 3 makes, and then how many days were there? So what happened? What, -1 degree, right, Celsius? Yes, that's what I would put down. That's what I want. Everybody make sure you write the units in. All right. Everybody's happy with that? That was good. Oh my gosh, that's what I'm saying. Keep those things up. Right? Clank, clank, clank all day long. All right. Yes. I don't care if you go to the bathroom. 12. Next.
At 12:15, the temperature was measured at 5 degrees. At 6:16, the temperature was measured at 10 degrees. Order the temperature from
From what? Or
Release
is that what it says?
rate.
Yes.
So, -8, then -1, then -5.
So would you rather have? Yeah,
-12, then -10, then -8.
thank you very much. All right, thank you. All right, next, 13.
At 4 a.m., the outside temperature was -2 Fahrenheit. By 4 p.m., it was risen to -8. What was the temperature at 4 p.m.? Oh, yeah, 4 p.m. 10?
10 degrees. Thank you very much. So we're going to do 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Very good. Thank you. Next,
Okay, so.
14. Yes.
So, it's 6 pounds.
Well, read it to me. Read it to me.
3 pounds besides exercise together, 4 times used food, fat, and 3 small things. While all 3 trims were healthier after 6 weeks, one had lost 5 pounds, another had gained 3 weeks. One had lost.
Is that us?
Instruction, 7th and 8th grade lunch bell is now 7th and 8th grade. lunch
Okay.
bell.
So listen, finish up to 19. Finish up to 19 and tomorrow we'll just continue this. All right. Good job, guys. Finish up 19. Thank you. Thank you. Peter, we'll let you continue it. All right.